Oh my god. Oh.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
That's a goat butt. Oh, wait.
Hi, Stuart. Yes!
Look at them teeth. Don't tease the goat like that. Oh, the cute little goat. He's gonna fall in. He's gonna fall in. Yup, fell in. Oh, look at the kid. You know, they're called kids. Yeah, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh, they're scratching each other's butts. That's cute. Oh, look. They spit. That's what they do. That's what they do. Oh, that's a billy.
Don't touch him.
I need gloves.
Don't touch
I
him.
have to help him. Give me something to get him out
Get a
with.
board. Yeah, put the chair.
I'm saving you.
Oh, the little squirrel. Be careful. It might attack you. It might not understand you're trying to
saving
save
you.
it.
Let me save you.
But she's
Thank you.
yelling at him.